Okay, for this pattern what we need is a olive brown marabou plume. What you want to do is cut out, pull all the fibres, make sure that they're the same length more or less, and fold these back. It doesn't want to be too thick, about there. Fold those back and we cut that out there, like that. And we take a clip, you can use a hackle plier, we place that on here like this, draw all the fibres together, and then we can wet them. We twist and go over there, we lift the hook, we put that in, put that down, and then what we do is we just want to shorten that a little, and then we can pull that over and through and tie a knot in the end like that. Then we put that to dry. And I've got size 12 grub hook, barbless, in there. We've got some shear, 40-0 olive. So we just attach our tying thread. Remove that. I want to go back here. This pattern I was shown by a good friend the other week, and this is kind of, he said it was a great emerger, and this is my take on it after working on it for a few days. So that's what your marabou looks like once it's dried, with a little knot in the tail. What my mate did was he went around the tail with tying thread, but I couldn't get that to sit properly, so I think the tying the knot in it is much better. So we take that once it's dried, and what we want this to do is to hang down at the back, so when the hook's in the water this looks like the shuck and the body hanging down. So we just tack that in and see how that looks. Go back with a few turns. That's looking good. Excellent. So we go up here. We can get rid of that. So we need 2 CDC hackles, and we go back here. I want to just tack these in. I'm not sure they're correct. This is going to be the wing case. And through a little bit more. That's good. Excellent. And I can go forward just to tack these down like so, back again. Then what I have is a little mandarin flank or summer duck flank that I've cut the tip out of, and I want this to go each side like this. Excellent. Go up here and trim that off. Then I have another piece of marabou that I will tack in here, right back into the abdomen. Go forward again with my tying thread, lift the puffs at the front, then we pull all this together, put a clip on it, and we spin it up. You can wet the ends just to keep all the fibres together when you spin it up. Doesn't matter if you don't get them all. So then we can go let's get rid of those two over here. Give it a turn as you go forward, So then we can tie that off. Remove that. That's looking perfect. And we want our 2 CDC hackles, and we just tack those in and pull them forward, making our wing case. Go under, trim those off. A whip finish tool. Start at the eye. Work our way back. There we are. And that's the finished. Just get that correct, and that's it. Very simple pattern. The emerging Vulgata or Danica. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.